Hello all traders, today is Wednesday 19th of March 2025 and we're going to look at the trades that I have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If you look at the 1 hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating in a narrow range above the previous day close during the Asian session and retested this level and bounced back during the London session. And if you look at the 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening, the price started to go up and then it had a pullback and retested this support level few times, and it was in a narrow volatile range waiting for the FOMC rate release later afternoon. So our plan of action was to wait for the volatility to come down, and when the price have a deep pullback and the buyers come back, take a long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 11:50 when the price was testing this level of support here and the buyers came back, this wave of uptrend here was taken with setup T and C on Nasdaq and also on Dow Jones and S&P 500, and all these positions were closed in the upper area of the channel, mostly with profit, and these two positions with a small loss. So if we look at the statistics of the trades on this account, we see that it was positive with profit factor of 9.87, which is coming from 71% win rate, all from 7 long positions taken with the average win to loss ratio of 3.95. The largest winning trade was $350 and the largest losing trade was $69. So that's a summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small CFD prop firm accounts, I will update you weekly every Friday. So thanks for your attention and hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures and CFD prop firm accounts are useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.